Hi, I'm Maria Horn, and I wanted to let you know that I have filed my paperwork and am now officially a candidate for re-election to my 5th term in the Connecticut General Assembly, representing the 9 towns of the 64th District. I am so grateful that you have all given me the opportunity to represent you for the past 7 years, and I hope I can earn your support again this year. I ran for the first time in 2018 in part because of my opposition to what the federal government was doing. And today we are facing challenges that are even more stark. Issues like food security and curbing healthcare costs that we long assumed to be bipartisan priorities are now being leveraged by the federal government to deliver tax cuts for the wealthiest among us. I now chair the legislator's Finance Committee. That means that I'm in the room for the tough conversations about how to rebalance those federal actions, supporting the middle class while not abandoning those who are struggling most. I'm proud of the contrast between Connecticut and the federal government. As finance chair, I'm proud that I've helped craft yet another balanced budget this year, featuring the second largest surplus in state history and the single greatest investment in early childhood education in Connecticut's history. We increased Medicaid payments, helped nonprofits. We passed a $250 tax credit for working families with children and an investment tax credit for farmers. We've protected access to health care. The new health clinic in North Canaan that I secured state funding for is a part of the landscape now, and maternity at Sharon Hospital is in a more secure position. Now, we need to protect these accomplishments and carry the state forward. I will need all of you for the work ahead. I have learned so much from my constituents, and I try to return that grace with my weekly videos from the car, letting you know what's happening in Hartford and in the district. I was elected to represent all of the people in the 9 towns I represent, not to launch an ideological crusade against my perceived enemies. I'm proud of the choice to listen, to understand the struggles that people are facing, and to take action to protect them, because it is a choice. I know that good government works, and states are being called on more than ever to prove that to people, that democracy is worth fighting for. What I promise you is continued steady, compassionate leadership and a willingness to tackle problems head on. Your strong support of me and our shared values has helped me amplify the voice of the Northwest Corner in Hartford. I hope we in Connecticut can continue to lead nationwide in terms of policy and in the way we go about doing the business of the state. Running a campaign is about people, and we have put together an amazing group of volunteers over the years. I could not be more grateful for the support, activism, and camaraderie that they have provided to me. We're always looking for new volunteers, so please get in touch if you're interested in joining us. I thank you for your trust in me in the past, and I'm hoping you will support me again this year as I seek a 5th term as your representative. Thank you, and I'll see you out there.